Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A8 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's enter the version in the right upper corner and keep tapping on the build number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now we can go back to the general settings and enter additional settings. Scroll down again, and here we've got the developer options, so let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can turn the option to don't keep activities, show view updates. Here we've got the transition animation scale, so basically we've got animation options, and here we've got the no working, etc. So to turn on the feature, obviously tap on the switcher on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, and if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list and tap on the developer options at the top. Now let's go back, and the developer options will immediately disappear from the additional settings list, but of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.